Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by cutting power at the HVAC breaker to avoid electric shock. Then remove the old thermostat plate carefully and pull wires free. Label each wire with its terminal letter like RC, RH, W1, Y1, G, and C. Take a photo showing wire colors and terminal holes before disconnecting anything. Verify your system uses 24V control voltage by checking the old thermostat or furnace board. Use 18 to 24 AWG thermostat wire for secure connections and easy threading through the wall. Seat each labeled wire into the corresponding Nest terminal firmly and tighten the screw. Place the 24V power wire into RC or RH depending on your transformer configuration. Install a jumper between RC and RH only when one transformer powers both heating and cooling. Insert W1 for heat stages and Y1 for cooling compressor control. Hook the G wire to the fan terminal and the C wire to common for continuous power. Trim excess wire and ensure no exposed copper contacts can short together. Mount the Nest thermostat on its base so terminals align and snap it fully into place. Restore power at the breaker and watch the Nest boot through its welcome and diagnostic screens. Follow on-screen prompts to connect to your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and sign into your account. Specify whether you have forced air, heat pump, or boiler equipment and choose 2-stage or single-stage operation if prompted. Run the built-in equipment test to confirm the heat, cool, and fan cycles operate properly. Finalize settings and enable learning or schedule features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.